After a 2-year hiatus caused by a safety scandal that shook Japan's automotive industry, the beloved Daihatsu Move is back and better than ever. The compact K-car has returned with a fresh, all-new 7th-generation model that redefines practicality and style in the tiny minivan segment. Known for its efficient, city-friendly design since 1995, the Move has now been redesigned from the ground up, featuring a modern platform, sliding rear doors, and numerous upgrades that make it a standout choice for urban drivers. Daihatsu has sold over 3.4 million units of the Move worldwide, proving its popularity and importance in the K-car category. This new version shares the DNGA, Daihatsu New Global Architecture platform, with other light commercial vehicles, like the Hijet and Atrai. Though still adhering to the K-car size restrictions, the Move stretches its wheelbase slightly to 2,460 millimeters, offering a more spacious and comfortable cabin without sacrificing its compact footprint. One of the most significant and practical updates is the introduction of rear sliding doors. This long-requested feature makes entering and exiting the vehicle easier, especially in tight city parking spaces, and is now standard across all trims except the base L grade. Higher trims like the X, G, and RS come with power-operated sliding doors equipped with a touch-and-go lock system, bringing a level of convenience that rivals competitors such as the Honda N-Box. Visually, the new Move sports a sleeker front end with slim headlights and a friendlier grille design. The sporty bumper intakes enhance its dynamic look, but are mostly decorative, complementing the sharper, more sculpted side profile. The rear also receives modern touches, including smaller L-shaped taillights, curved rear glass, and subtle faux vents on the bumper that add a cleaner, sophisticated aesthetic. Daihatsu offers the Move in 13 color combinations, with subtle variations depending on the trim, including differences in grille designs, headlights, and wheels. For those wanting a personal touch, optional styling packages like Dandy Sport and Noble Chic provide unique exterior and interior add-ons, allowing buyers to customize the car to their taste. Inside, the Move remains true to its city car roots, with a focus on functionality over flashiness. The cabin comfortably seats 4, with ample storage throughout for daily essentials. The front seats fold flat and combine with the reclining rear bench to create a convenient double sofa bed, a thoughtful feature for road trips or light camping. Technology is modern but straightforward, with buyers choosing from 7, 9, or 10-inch infotainment screens paired with an analog instrument cluster that keeps controls intuitive and familiar. The high-mounted gear selector and physical climate controls further emphasize usability. Optional extras include heated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and the Smart Assist suite, offering driver assistance features that enhance safety and ease of driving. Under the hood, the Move is powered by a small yet efficient 658cc gasoline engine, meeting Japan's strict K-car regulations. The naturally aspirated engine produces 51 horsepower, while the sportier RS gets a turbocharged version delivering 63 horsepower. This extra power is complemented by a sport-tuned suspension and 15-inch wheels, making the RS a fun-to-drive option without compromising practicality. Both 2WD and 4WD versions are available, and every Move uses a smooth CVT gearbox designed for efficiency and ease of use in urban environments. This combination of features ensures the Move remains versatile and capable across a range of driving conditions. The new Daihatsu Move is already available for order in Japan, with prices starting at 1,358,500 yen, about $9,500, for the base 2WD model, and rising to 2,044,000 yen, approximately $14,000, for the top-tier 4WD trim. Manufactured in Daihatsu's Oita Prefecture plant, the company aims to sell around 6,000 units per month, indicating strong confidence in the Move's comeback.